Hey guys, John here. In this video I'm going to be adding more Fates Collide cards to my collection, and as you can see I got another blister pack and it has 3 packs, a Black Star promo and this little coin. Open this up and see if we can get something good. Sorry it takes me so long to open these, it takes forever. Here is the little coin, Finnegan. It is kind of cool, shiny. Put that aside. Here is the Black Star promo of Froakie, holographic. That's a cool card, I like that. I think I got 3 or 4 of those already though. And here are the 3 booster packs. I think we'll open up Alakazam last. And here we go, wish me luck. Still looking for my first break. Here is the code card if anyone wants it. Do a little card trick. And here we go. There's a, let me zoom in. There's a Loudred, Alakazam Spirit Link, Wormadon, Meowth, Finnegan. That will go with my coin that I just got. Gothita, a Spoink. I like the shoulder in the background. I like the original Pokemon. Reverse Holo, another Spoink, and the rare in the pack is a non-holo Kabutops. Not so good to start out with. Still got 2 packs to go. I think I did see something in the back. There is the code card. I'm pretty sure I saw an EX. There's a Duosion. Scorched Earth, trainer card. A Wormadon. That one was cut weird. At the very bottom, you see the yellow at the very top. See, like this, how much yellow is at the top. There's no yellow at the bottom. Huh. I'm gonna set that one aside. There's a Snubbull, Minccino, a Bronzor, a Larvitar, a Burmy, and the Alakazam EX. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That is awesome. Finally we get a Alakazam EX. I don't think I've pulled this one, I'm not sure. So we'll set him back here. So that was a good pack. And the Mandibuzz was a reverse holo. I did not see that. That's cool. I'll set those aside. Now for the Alakazam pack. My last one. I'm still looking for a break card. Or another EX. Here's the code card. Please use the code cards because I do not use them. I just throw them away when I'm done. Wigglytuff, a Dugong, N, trainer card, Cottony, Riolu, I like Riolu, his name's kind of fun to say, a Volibee, a Coughing, Spoink, reverse holo of a Volibee, and the rare is a, there we go, a Tyranitar holo rare. There we go. I like that card. That is cool. So the cards I pulled today, the holo rare Tyranitar, and the best card I pulled, an Alakazam EX. I love the art. That is awesome. And then another card that I'm still not sure, it got cut off at the bottom. I've never seen that. Let me see, I'll show you another card. See how it's the yellow on the bottom. On this Wormadon, there's no yellow. At the top, there's more yellow. No yellow. So I'm gonna look into that. But thanks for watching, everyone. I'm gonna try to have a video out tomorrow. Thank you.